ever bought something online or in a store, only to find that it wasn't as promised? Maybe the product quality was poor, or the advertisement was misleading. Unfortunately, this happens all too often, and many customers end up feeling cheated and frustrated.
Para sa competitive world ng business ngayon, may ilang kumpanya ang pinipili ang profit kaysa honesty. Gumagamit sila ng false advertising, fake reviews, exaggerated claims, o hidden fees. Para sa kanila, mabilis nakita to. Pero sa long term, nakakasama ito sa consumer at pati na rin sa business mismo.
Unethical business practices often affect consumers directly. People lose money, waste their time, and often feel cheated right after. And beyond the financial burden, it erodes their trust, and people feel skeptical of even the most honest companies. This creates a horrible cycle where companies feel the need to cheat in order to just survive.
Ang mga tapat na negosyo ay apektado rin kapag ang ibang kumpanya ay nagloko para makakuha ng advantage kahit mas may better quality at fair price. Nawawala pa rin ang customers ng ethical companies. Over time, nababawasan ng ethical practices at nasisira ang reputation ng ibang industry.
Bantang at tugunan niya ini, dapat pinandan ng business ang ausang tamang key ethical principles. Rally them, integrity, transparency, fairness, ang accountability. Integrity, batang ating katapatan kay ega-naga ng transaksyon. Transparency, batang malinaw na kabalu, then sasali, ingustong detalye. Fairness, batang pante-pante, in pamamakyabe, karen ega-naga ng tao. Accountability naman, batang ating pamanagutan, karen gagawang dapat. Gustong mera, wala rin apat na rin maging matibay yung tiwala ang pagpangalwatang tagumpay ng metro negosyo.
Ganito rin ang role ng consumers, supportahan ng mga ethical brands, i-check mabuti ang product infos, magbigay ng honest reviews, at i-report ang misleading practices. Bawat tamang decision natin, maging maayos ang marketplace.
Businesses, on the other hand, must remember that short-term profit isn't worth losing a customer's trust. By being honest, transparent, and accountable, business can gain more loyal customers, improve their reputation, and contribute to a stronger, more ethical business communities.
Together, we can create a business environment where honesty matters more than profit. Let's choose integrity over deception, fairness over greed, and transparency over lies. Remember, trust is the true currency, and an honest business is a good business. Let's make a choice to support ethical businesses today.